Hi, I'm Sean Weaver with Pantheon Sales and Rental, and I want to talk about our Scarifier, the CG 200 by Husqvarna. This is a great mid-size Scarifier, has an 8-inch cutting path. It runs on gas, and you can pair it up with the S26, which will keep up with it very nicely, or any vac that's larger than the S26. Okay, so to run this machine, or where you're going to run this machine is when you're trying to take heavy material off. Like if you have control joints that are lipped and you want to take that side down, this machine is great. For sidewalks that are uneven, you want to grind the high side, this works great. For tool joints in a basement where they curl up and you want to flatten them out, this works great. So you're trying to remove heavy material, that's where a Scarifier comes in. It will remove eighth, quarter at a time, but again, that just depends on the hardness of the concrete. So if the concrete's super duper hard, you're not going to cut as much. One of the ways you know you're cutting too much, you're trying to go too deep with the machine, if you see the machine bouncing, you're definitely trying to cut too much. Obviously, if you see any of the teeth underneath, you can see these teeth underneath here. If those start popping off, you're definitely trying to cut too much at once, okay? So it's really important. So to start the machine, there's a switch here. It's off is red and on is black. So you want to make sure it's on. And you have a pull start here. So you just pull start it to start it. It starts real nicely. To adjust the depth of the machine, how much you're gonna cut, I always recommend just start real light and then start going deeper until the concrete tells you how much you can cut at once. You're not gonna tell the concrete's gonna tell you. So the depth adjuster is here. So you're gonna go left is deeper, right is less. And to engage it, you're gonna drop this down, and that's what's gonna engage it, okay? So there you go, that's pretty much it on the machine. Once you get it depth the way you want it, you're gonna pull the handle, drop it down, and then you're gonna start running this machine, taking off material. With all our products online, we have the sheets on here, the parts manuals, we have operational manuals, so you can always go online and read about any of our products. Everything we have is for sale and for rent. And if there's any questions, as always, pillars of support with Pantheon Sales and Rental, give us a call. Thanks.